If you don't like boring advice but still want smart tips, then listen up. Babies are like little sponges, soaking up everything around them. Want to give their brain a boost? Here's how. First, talk to your baby. Narrate your day, sing songs, and make funny noises. It might feel silly, but it's building their language skills. Next, get touchy-feely with textures. Let them feel soft blankets, bumpy toys, and even your hair. It's all about sensory exploration. Don't forget tummy time. It strengthens their muscles and coordination, which are key for brain development. So just a few minutes a day makes a big difference. Reading to your baby is a game changer. Picture books with bright colors and simple words do wonders. Plus, it's a great bonding time. Finally, shower them with love. Cuddles, smiles, and eye contact create a secure environment. This helps their brain grow strong and healthy. So there you go, new parents. Simple tips to help your baby's brain blossom. Remember, every little thing you do makes a big difference.